I'm here to talk to you today about what Flood is and what you can get out of it. Flood is essentially a cloud-based distributed load testing platform, and we're going to go through what all of that means. The emphasis is on cloud-based because all of the load is generated from the cloud via Amazon Web Services. When I say distributed, I mean in the sense that all of our load test infrastructure has no clustering or artificial bottlenecks present like in other load testing platforms. And when I say load testing, I mean that we support the creation, execution, and analysis of load tests in real time. So the subtlety here is that Flood is a load test platform for everybody. One of our main goals in product design is to make load testing easier. As such, we focus on 3 areas, including the creation, execution, and analysis of load tests. You can create load tests, which we call floods, using your favorite open source tools, including JMeter, Gatling, and Element. You can execute load tests on distributed load testing infrastructure, which we call grid nodes, from 15 different geographic regions around the world. Nodes start within minutes, which means you can scale out your load test on demand. We solve the problem of provisioning load test infrastructure so you can get on with the business of load testing and analyzing results. One of the reasons customers love us is we provide them with an economy of scale, leveraging cloud-based distributed infrastructure, which you just can't typically achieve with your own on-premise solution. Our grid nodes have no clustering or shared infrastructure, which provides no limits to horizontal scale. It also means that whatever performance you get from one node is the same as the performance you'll get from many. Each node has a generous capacity of CPU and memory, and it takes around 5 minutes to launch as many nodes as you need. The third area in which we excel is the ability to analyze results in real time. We cover all the metrics you would expect in a load test, such as concurrency, response time, and transaction rate, and deliver those results to you in an easy-to-share, real-time dashboard. It's really important to be able to analyze these metrics under load, along with some more descriptive statistics, down to individual transactions or labels. We also provide down to 1-second high-resolution granularity for enterprise customers, so you can see spikes in traffic as they occur, not rounded or averaged through a larger resolution. Our dashboard is easy to share. There's no software to install. Just share the secret URL with your colleagues and they can see the same live view of results in their own browser. Detailed traces of things like assertions, request and response errors as they occur under load make it easier for you to diagnose what is happening to your system under test and commence the remediation of performance defects. So that's it as a high-level overview of Tricentis Flood. If you'd like more information, you can always have a chat with one of our engineers online who will be happy to run through your specific requirements and get you started with your load test journey.